On the western coast of Ireland is the city of Galway. This beautiful city, with its many pubs, shopping, and beautiful scenery, has something for everyone. While definitely being a lot less crowded than Dublin, I felt like Galway allowed us more opportunities to take in the surrounding natural beauty. The Galway Cathedral is not nearly as old as many of the cathedrals in Europe, but is still very beautiful and worth a visit. It is important to note that Mass is held at this cathedral daily, and visitors are not allowed to walk around and look around during Mass, so please be sure to check that before planning your visit. The Spanish Arch is a beautiful piece of Galway history. It was built in the 1500s and originally stood as part of the city wall along the banks of the River Corrib. At the top of many people's Irish bucket lists are seeing the Cliffs of Moher. If you are staying in Galway, the Cliffs of Moher are only an hour and a half away and can easily be done in a day trip. If you do not have a car, there are many tours that can take you there and back in a day. We were fortunate to have a beautiful day to see the cliffs, and they did not disappoint. Located on the water and a quick walk from Irish Square, the Glamont Hotel Spa has everything you would need while in Galway. The friendly staff is there to greet you as you walk into the open lobby. There is an on-site gym, however it is in the adjacent building and not very easy to get to. There is an on-site restaurant and bar, so food and drink are never far away. There is a very open patio where you can enjoy some food. However, during most of our stay it was very windy and we did not see many people out there taking advantage of the beautiful weather. Not all the hotels in Galway have air conditioning, however the Galmont does, so be sure to check that if it is important to you. We had the king-size room, which was two beds pushed together to make the king-size bed. In the bathroom, there was only one sink, which wasn't ideal, and there was a very large step you had to take to get into the shower. But all in all, it got the job done, especially since we weren't in the room all that much. We didn't really feel like we needed a whole lot more. Like many of the other hotels we stayed in Europe, this room had an espresso machine, which you can find my coffee review in the link below. Right below the coffee machine was the refrigerator, which we didn't really use that much since, like I said, we weren't there that often, but it was there, which was nice to have if we had needed it. The rest of the room has pretty much standard features with the desk and the TV, and as you can see, the bed had the two beds pushed together, which wasn't a real big deal. We didn't see a big difference in that when we were sleeping. The real winner of this room, though, is the view. Being able to look right over the water was really nice, and we really enjoyed it. All in all, we really enjoyed our stay at this hotel and would definitely recommend you checking it out if you're in Galway, especially if you're looking for a hotel with some air conditioning.